Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best New Year decor is probably one of the most exciting ways to kick off the new year. From shimmering ornaments to dazzling lights, the right decorations can transform your space into a festive wonderland. In this video, we'll explore a variety of decorations, helping you find the perfect pieces to create a memorable and stylish celebration. Get ready to discover the best options to make your New Year's Eve unforgettable. Number 5. NICROLANDEE Black Gold Paper Lanterns for Parties. These paper lanterns are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any celebration. The set includes 12 lanterns in various sizes and a beautiful color combination. They are ideal for creating a festive atmosphere. The set includes lanterns in 12-inch, 10-inch, and 8-inch sizes, offering flexibility in your decorations. You can easily create a layered and visually appealing display with these different sizes. They are easy to hang and assemble. Featuring black, gold, and white, these lanterns provide a sophisticated look for your event. The colors create a versatile backdrop for various themed parties. It will definitely enhance your party. These lanterns are designed to be reused for future events. Simply fold them up and store them away after use. This makes them a practical and sustainable choice for your party decorations. Suitable for weddings, birthdays, baby showers, and New Year's Eve parties. It's also great for DIY activities and classroom decorations. The versatility makes it a great choice for any celebration. Assembly is simple and takes only 10 to 30 minutes. Instructions are included in the package. You can quickly set up these lanterns and start decorating your party space. What we like? These paper lanterns come in various sizes and vibrant colors, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. They are also reusable, allowing you to enjoy them for multiple celebrations. If you are looking for versatile and easy-to-use decorations that can be stored and reused, you should consider these. What people say. The decorations were easy to set up and looked great. The lights were bright and added a festive touch. The quality of the materials was excellent. Number 4. New Year's Eve Party Supplies 2026 Decorations Kit. Get ready to ring in the new year with this fantastic party kit. It has everything you need to make your celebration memorable. This kit is perfect for parties of up to 12 people. This comprehensive set includes a Happy New Year banner, 2026 number balloons, and a black ribbon. You'll also find white balloons with gold confetti, foil balloons in black and gold, party hats, glasses, and tiaras. Plus, there are squawkers and fringe curtains. The large 32-inch gold 2026 balloons will surely impress all your guests. They're a great way to make a statement and add a festive touch to your party. These decorations will make the party unforgettable. The hats come unassembled, but don't worry, it's easy to put them together. You'll have everything ready in no time. The kit is designed for convenience, so you can focus on enjoying the party. Whether you're planning a party at home or in the office, this kit is the perfect choice. It's designed to make your New Year's Eve celebration a success. It provides all the essentials for a fun and festive atmosphere. What we like? This kit provides everything you need for a New Year's Eve party, including banners, hats, and balloons. It includes impressive 2026 balloons. If you are planning a party for a small group and want a convenient, all-inclusive solution, you should choose this. What people say. It comes with a different variety so that you could spread them out among your guests. Their size and luster were just perfect for pictures at our NYE event. It was also easy to put together, and the instructions were simple. Number 3. AMSCAN Fantasy 2025 NYE Party Supplies for 100. Get ready to ring in the new year with this amazing party kit. It includes everything you need to throw an unforgettable celebration for up to 100 guests. The kit comes with 50 cone hats and 50 glitter tiaras, so everyone can look their best. Friends and guests will love these party favors. Get ready to make some noise with 50 foil horns and 50 blowouts. This will help everyone end the year with a bang. Your guests will love wearing the party leis, which come in metallic gold and silver. This kit includes 50 leis to make sure everyone can join the fun. This value set features all the black, gold, and silver accessories, decorations, and noisemakers. It has everything you need to accommodate 100 party guests. Pair this bundle with other New Year's Eve decor and tableware. Give your guests a celebration they'll never forget. What we like. This party kit is designed to accommodate a large gathering, offering supplies for 100 guests. It includes a variety of accessories like hats, tiaras, and noisemakers. If you are hosting a big New Year's Eve bash and want to ensure all your guests have a blast, you should consider this. What people say. Happy with this party supply for NYE. Will be great for years to come with my friends. Love the variation. Perfect solution for New Year's party. We order these every year for our church New Year Eve service. Everyone loves them. Number 2. Elegant champagne bottle centerpiece, 19. Introducing our stunning centerpiece, designed to elevate any event. It features a beautiful and sophisticated design, adding a touch of elegance to your celebrations. Crafted from high-quality foil board and fringe material, this centerpiece ensures durability. You can enjoy this eye-catching decoration time and time again. Ideal for various occasions, including weddings and birthdays. It creates a festive atmosphere that your guests will surely love. With its exquisite attention to detail, this centerpiece is sure to catch everyone's eye. It's the perfect addition to your party decor. Assembling the centerpiece is a breeze. You can quickly and easily add elegance and charm to your event without any hassle. What we like. This champagne bottle centerpiece adds a touch of elegance to any event with its premium foil board and fringe material. It is designed to be easy to set up, saving you time and effort. If you like sophisticated decorations that are quick to assemble and make a statement, you should choose this. What people say. Very pretty and sturdy display. It looked good as a centerpiece on the dining room table at New Year. Number 1. Blulu 2026 Happy New Year Party Backdrop. Get ready to ring in the new year with this fantastic backdrop. It's perfect for creating a festive atmosphere at your party. This will make your celebration unforgettable. This backdrop is huge, measuring 72.8 by 43.3 inches. It's designed with vibrant fireworks and Happy New Year elements. It's sure to impress your guests. Made from durable polyester fabric, this backdrop is lightweight and washable. You can easily fold it up and store it for future use. It's built to last through many celebrations. The backdrop comes with a 20-foot string for easy hanging. It has copper grommets for simple setup, whether indoors or outdoors. It's ready to make your party shine. Use it as a backdrop for photos or as a decoration for your New Year's Eve party. The design will add a special touch to your 2026 celebration. This will make your party even more memorable. The design features elegant Happy New Year and fireworks elements. It's a stylish way to highlight your gathering. This will make your party even more special. What we like. This extra-large banner serves as a fantastic backdrop for photos, creating a festive atmosphere with its fireworks design. It's made of durable polyester and is easy to hang. If you are looking to create a memorable photo booth experience and want a reusable decoration, you should consider this. What people say. The decorations were easy to hang. The lights were bright and festive. The quality of the materials was excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.